So let's get started. First, create a prefab of your main menu. This is main menu we've created on previous episode. To do that, just create new folder menu in your prefabs folder and just pick it, click it and drag here. I've already done that, so I will not create it again. So that's how you create prefab of your menu. And go to your scene where you would like to create a pause menu. So let's go to our gameplay scene, let's hit save, and here we'll use our menu prefab. So let's go to our prefabs folder, menu, and move it under your canvas. So this is your menu. I would like to have that on the central position, so press Shift Alt, click that one, and we need to do some changes. First, let's rename this one to pause menu. So let's move it here, and let's create new original prefab. That will be our pause menu. So let's double click pause menu, and let's make some changes. So first, this will be resume. Change the text to resume. We can leave the shop here. This will be our restart button. This will be our restart button here, and this will be our main menu. We can call it menu button. Yeah, let's find icons for the restart and for the menu. Game icons, PNG, white, 2 times, and yeah, this one looks nice. So this will be our restart, and menu will be our, let's check, it's here, menu list, might be that one. Okay, we want also to have a game over menu created. So to do that, just Ctrl D on our pause menu, and again we have to create prefab for that one. In our menu, let's move, first cancel, change the name to game over, and move it here and create original prefab. Go to the game over, and let's change let's remove resume. This is what we don't need because it's game over, so we can't resume to our progress. We'll have shop, restart menu, and the spacing between them is too big, and because we have component that they don't have spacing added, default spacing, so we can change it to be like, we can take that number, we can go to calc, we can do something like that. We can put 140, yes, divide by 4 and multiply by 3. So we want the size of 855, the height of 855. Yeah. Quick calculations. Okay, so let's hide game over menu. 1 second, the pause menu. I haven't saved this one, or? Yeah, 855. Let's make it 55. Okay. Control S. Okay. So we have our menus. And what we want to do more, it will be upgrades. So we can again Control D on pause menu. And for the upgrades, it will be a little bit more difficult, but let's do it. For the upgrades menu, okay, let's first rename it upgrades. or the shop, yeah, shop. Now let's remove for now vertical group, move component, and let's add new layout, and let's make it grid layout, and all gone wrong. Perfect. That's what I did expect. So size, let's make it 400 on 400. Yeah, and this shop menu can make it wider. Make it first like that, full size. Yeah, we need to work a little bit on the grid component, so don't be scared. And we want the spacing like 25 between of them. Maybe let's make it 50. It's much better. Middle center. Yeah. So that I think could be looking much better for us. So let's make those ones like 500. 500. Yeah, perfect. And now what we want to do is to change the look of that button to press. Okay, let's go to graphic, and let's go to where is our rocket parts? Yeah, this will be our acceleration button for our rocket. So first let's change the this looks good, I think, but we don't want that color. Yeah, and make it to have the text. Okay, first let's change how our graphic looks like. Let's make it to be on the top, and from the bottom let's leave 250, sorry, and use preserve aspect. Okay, and let's add to our image more images. Let's make it child for our object, and let's make it smaller, something like that. Clamp it to the left, or maybe to the middle. Clamp it to the middle, and let's use from the game icons arrow pointing upwards. Do we have that one? It's down, so it should be up also. Left, right. Where is up? You don't have up arrow? Yeah, it's here, up arrow. So let's replace that graphic. Move it on position X, something like here. It will be minus 100. Where is this preserve aspect? White. It should be. Yeah, it's too big, 150. Let's make 150 on both axes. Let's make Ctrl D on that one with on the position Y a little bit downwards, something like that. Minus 60. And let's change the color of those two. That one from the top also needs some spacing. Let's make it 25. And this will be like our yeah, speed, maybe let's make it green. And let's change resume text to say something like acceleration. Yeah, the text is too big, so we need to change the font to be like 40. Acceleration. Yeah, it should be full size. the middle, and from the top it should be 250. Yeah, let's make it not in the middle then, but on the top. Text, acceleration. Right. Level 1. And let's make like $200. Okay, perfect. Yeah, we can change the size to be like 50, maybe. And let's make the text from the bottom to be also like 25. Can you do that? Yeah, but text is not moved. Okay, so we have to remove the spacing then. Okay, so we have something like that in our game, and we want it to be working that way all the time. We press that button, our acceleration will be increased for our rocket. So let's do another one. It will be okay. Let's say acceleration. Another one will be strafe speed. Okay, maybe let's remove those ones. Yeah, open prefab, and now I want to remove those ones since I have this one prepared, so it will be much easier for me to add that way. Strafe. Okay, and for the strafe we want to have what graphic we want to have for the strafe. Wait a second, why this strafe is looking like that? I have opened prefab for the pause menu. We don't want to work on pause menu. I just opened wrong prefab. Ctrl Z. Yeah, so wait a second. Let's go to prefab. Maybe something wrong has happened with the. Yeah, I haven't created shop prefab. So let's make new original prefab. It will be our shop. Just need to check how the pause menu looks now. Yeah, it looks okay, I think. Yeah. So this is our shop. Okay. And in our shop, let's go to our prefab. Remove those three. Let's Ctrl D for the image. Not for the image. Ctrl D for the acceleration. Let's rename it to strafe. Let's go to text. Strafe. You can change image arrows to be like this one is minus. So this will be like plus 100. Okay. And the pause minus 30. Both of them. Let's change them to the left and right arrow. Let's go again to game icons. Here, left and right. Which one will be right? I think this one. No, this one. Right arrow. Where is the left? Up, left arrow here. Okay. Strafe. Let's make Ctrl D again. Let's make it fuel. max fuel. Let's go to max fuel. Max fuel, and let's change the graphic. You can remove those two images. Let's change the graphic for the max fuel to maybe our icon we are using for the fuel. It shouldn't be so bad. Yeah, it can stay like that. Oh, it's hardly visible. So let's add some tint to that one, maybe some gray. Yeah, okay. It's for this, just for the tutorial purposes. So the design of that menu is not, I know it's not perfect, it could be better. No, as I said, it's just the tutorial purposes. So let's make Ctrl D again, and let's make new. With max fuel, yeah, let's make say it launch force. Yeah, launch force. For the image, choose some parts. Parts I can use. Yeah, where's our? Go to our platform. Which one we are using? Where's launch platform? It's here. Space building. Okay, let's make it space building 17. Yeah. Okay. So image, let's be start. Okay, so I need to scale it. Thanks. No. Let's make it just to be looking like our platform. Just to look similar. Ctrl D, put it inside, rotate into the Z, 90. This one inside, let's scale it on the X. Let's save X1 and the Y. X 0.5, Y 0.5 with the okay, something goes wrong. As always, it's never can go well. Oh, sorry, yeah, because I'm using wrong positioning. Yeah, because I have rotated by 90, so it goes messy, but it just to present a graphic, the idea. So actually it's not relevant. Okay, so let's make it 60. Okay, can stay like that. No, can't. Oh my. Like that. Just Control D and change the position to mine is 100. Okay. And here, let's fix the text. Okay. So we have more or less our buttons we'll press in our game to upgrade our functionality here. What we need more is just to have our return button, and we need to we can copy return button from here, but for that we need new panel to be created. So let's make new panel for our shop. Let's create UI panel. Let's move our shop to our panel, and inside that let's copy, like, resume. So let's copy resume button into our game, into our panel. So let's copy resume, open prefab, Control C, file, and let's move resume just on the bottom, and let's move it, with the middle, and on the middle let's move it. It's in our panel. No, it's not in our panel. Move it to our panel. Again, let's use the middle positioning in our panel, and let's move it like on the position Y, somewhere here. Okay, and minus 680. We can make it much lower. So let's make it to be visible that we have a difference, and this panel make it transparent. Perfect. What I've just started to think, it might be better if we create panel for all of our panels. Just empty UI panel, I'll just name it to shop underscore panel, and we can make it transparent to 50. It will give player some indication that game is paused, so we will have like blurred background or something like that. We can call blurred background. So let's create UI panel for all of our game object. Let's change the transparency to 50. Make Control D, pause menu, and underscore panel, and game over underscore panel. Yeah, so that way it will look more like, and it will give more realistic feel that we have paused something. So let's check how it looks like. Let's Let's hide our shop. Pause panel. Yeah. So it looks more like now press game is over, so we'll have like screen blurred, so it looks much better. I think this for the game feel. Okay, perfect. Okay, so because it's a very long video, so if you like the video, don't forget to press the like button and don't forget to subscribe. On the next video we'll work on some functionality for our menu. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye.